Hey guys, it's Danny back here. How you guys doing? Sorry if I sound a little hoarse. I'm dealing with a little bit of a cold right now. I wanted to show you guys how my first print was coming out on my 3D printer, the Tevo Tornado. It is amazing looking. I don't know why I have such good luck with parts. Like, I'll watch other guys' videos and they'll have big lines in theirs. I mean, look how uniform mine looks. It's amazing looking. It's beautiful, really. I mean, it's got perfect. You know, it's not got the big lines. It's not got artifacts. It's not got ghosting. I mean, it's a nice print. So I thought, well, I gotta shoot a video it looking this nice, you know. And I thought, well, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up. I mean, that way, if anybody does buy the Tevo Tornado, they can at least see the how to print off the spool, the filament roller, the filament holder, and then, you know, you guys can see how it works. Like, because I've seen a lot of guys put theirs together and have a lot of trouble with it, like the filament. Now, when I first put it together, it was leaving double lines over there, is making part of the part there, part of the part there. And I went to my Facebook community and I said, hey guys, you know, I am having problems with double parting. You know, when I'm printing one part, it's printing two on accident and it's not a whole part. But I was sitting here and I thought, now what can I do to fix this problem? And I got to looking, and this belt was so loose that it was barely on them. It was barely on there. So I tightened that belt up, and I unloosened these two screws right here, and I pulled it out and tightened it back up with the T-nuts back up. And then I went up here to this, pulled that out, tightened it up, and it's making perfect prints now. That's what I'm saying. Like, when you do these kind of projects, you got to be able to think on the fly and fix stuff. So I went back on there and I said, hey, thanks guys, but I figured it out. I went ahead and tightened all my belts up, and it's working perfect now. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of heads up. And tomorrow I'm going to be doing the rest of the print. This is an 11-hour print, but this print is something special to me. I am a big sci-fi nerd, and I believe in the Bigfoot, the Sasquatch, and all that stuff, okay? So, as you can see, I did a Sasquatch, statue, but I am making a Tony Merkel, the Confessionals placard for Tony to send to him. So just tune in and you can see how that progresses too. And then tomorrow we'll get back to printing some big giant parts on that. I got some great parts, some multiple parts. That's the good thing about having that big build surface is, like, if I want to build some parts, I can make multiple parts out there. So, all right, guys, well, just tune in and bear with me. And remember, I'm gonna do an Ender 3 Pro at 10,000 subscribers. So, I mean, I know I'm not getting a bunch of views right now, but I'm just telling you guys, I will get the Ender Pro, have it here waiting. So when it comes, and then when I get to 20,000, I'll get somebody a CR10. They'll have a beautiful CR10, and they can do the same kind of prints I'm doing. Anybody that's a beginner that's wanting to get into 3D printing, both of those printers are perfect, and these Tevos are perfect. The Tevo's just like it's like, I heard a guy say, it's like the Android to the Apple. So everybody's got Apple, all your friends got Apple, and that's the CR10, but you get the Tevo because you like Android and you want to be a little different. And that's what I did. So, but yeah, I mean, just check it out and tell your friends, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, take your Sasquatch foot and stomp the like button, and the subscribe button. Hey guys, have a good night, and we'll see you later.